Coleman Cable's main distribution facility in Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, is 500,000 square feet. Coleman Cable ships between 350 to 400 orders a day, 350,000 to 400,000 pounds a day, and that runs between 2,600 to 5,200 lines per day. Coleman Cable ships to most major retailers, including home improvement stores, major electrical distributors, wire and cable distributors, and industrial distributors. If Coleman Cable receives an order by noon, their goal is to get it out the same day and meet all the carrier cuts. Coleman Cable runs Manhattan WM for I-Series, leveraging many of the pieces within Manhattan's WM.
Go to 75632.
The nice thing about the Wavelink product is that it took our existing processes and wrapped itself around those processes. So it was nothing new to the users. With Wavelink, we've been able to improve the efficiency by 50%. So where it took 2 people 2 days to pick, we are now getting it done with 2 people in 1 day. Tremendous cost savings.
Compared to the old way, I have to scan 20 times and then put the labels on. This way, I just say the number, 20, and put the labels on, and I'm gone.
The processes that we've developed are pretty solid, but how we were executing them was flawed. With Wavelink, we have gotten rid of the flaws. We've gotten rid of the weak points in the processes, and that's why we're seeing the productivity gains that we are.
Scan task number. Go to 16453.
And we put it out on the floor. The user acceptance was immediate. I actually had order pickers giggling about how they enjoyed the new system and the new process.
Quantity.
The comments very quickly came back, oh, this is just like how we used to do it, only better. This is just how we used to do it, it's just faster.
1 ready.
Scan task number.
Going from the manual to the actual voice command type was much quicker. I was able to scan my SKU only 1 time, put my product labels on, and say the amount, and I was done and off to the next product. And it was a lot faster. 3 ready.
Scan task number.
Why are they excited about the voice? It's simple. It allows them to do their job easier, faster, with less of the repetitive hassle.
This is faster because I could take a roll and do a whole roll of labels within, I said, an hour, then 2-3 hours.
When you're trying to pick fast, efficiently, and accurately, you need to have the ability to do that, and you can't really so much with the other way. This way, it's in and out, and it's a lot easier.
We believe that most of our picking errors occur from our pickers getting to a location, scanning, getting distracted, and picking a product from the location next to it. With Speakeasy, we know that the process time is reduced substantially, so they arrive, they scan the location, and are immediately picking. We feel this will reduce our error rate down to the levels that we're targeting.
Scan task number.
When you're going from location to location, you may lose track of where it was you were going, and all you have to do is simply say again. The system will tell you in your ear. You don't have to flip through papers or look at tickets or look where you're going. You've got it. You're still in motion the whole while. You're not having to hesitate for safety to look at the location, but hear it and go.
We were able to script many repetitive scans into 1 voice command, and that greatly improved the productivity in those processes. It takes about a month to fully train somebody to do the job well, to do the job with a minimal amount of mistakes. With Speakeasy, we anticipate that training process will come down to maybe 4 days. That's huge because it gives us options that we haven't had available to us in the past. The ROI for Speakeasy is really a no-brainer. The initial acquisition cost is less than a truck-mounted unit, and productivity is improved. Millennium and Wavelink have also introduced Avalanche, which has really changed how we're going to manage our units going forward. Instead of having to manage each unit individually, we're now able to roll out changes,
Go to
updates,
57854.
upgrades. It not only speeds up the process, it gives us a lot more consistency in the results on the units themselves. Speakeasy solution has brought us all the tools that we need to go to voice without any of the complications that are introduced by additional servers, changes to the host programs, etc.
One ready.
Scan task number.
We've proved that the concept works.
Go to.
At this point, with the capital cost savings of going with a wearable voice-directed unit versus a truck-mounted unit, it's a no-brainer. We'll be going with Speakeasy.